at it. Look at the fish. What are they doing?
They're playing.
They are playing? Maybe they are hungry. Can you ask them if they are hungry?
Are you hungry?
What's this? This is a little farm. Can you name the animals that you see in the farm?
Yes.
Yes, what do you see?
I see cow.
Yes, this is a cow. What else?
Dog.
A dog. Yes. What's that?
Fish.
Fish? Where does they live?
Water.
Water. Where does the fish live?